You can unlock this ship camouflage for free today in World of Warships, and I'm going to show you how in less than 30 seconds. My name is Captain Paint You Fast, and I'm live on World of Warships sharing tips like this every single day. Now, World of Warships is notorious for hiding rewards and gifts in certain places, and here's how you get this one. On the left side of your screen, click on News. When you click on News, go to the longest night of museums. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you. In this longest night of the museum's news, on the right side, there are three little things you can click on. One says, grab a themed permanent camouflage. Right on the middle of your screen, there's going to be a little thing here you can click on, and boom, you have unlocked the Constellation of Memory permanent ship camouflage for free. Make sure you follow for more tips and tricks like this. I'm live on World of Warships every single day.